Hello everyone, I'm Prathika of Computer Science and Engineering Branch, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachir. Now I'm going to present on the topic self-drying umbrella. A self-drying umbrella is an innovative and practical solution. It addresses the issue of wet and dripping traditional umbrellas after use. Traditional umbrella tends to retain water when after closed. Self-drying umbrella uses incorporate clever design elements and technology. They dry themselves quickly to overcome the water retention problem. The most important the most important feature is the addition of hydrophobic coating on the canopy. This coating causes the water droplets to develop and roll off the surface quickly. The hydrophobic coating also prevents water from seeping through the canopy when the umbrella is open. When the self-drying umbrella is open, the vented canopy allows the air to pass through the vents. This creates airflow as the umbrella moves through the air. The airflow is accelerated, pushing water droplets outwards and away from the canopy. This promotes quickly evaporation of the water droplets. The hydrophobic coating plays a crucial role in self-drying process. After use, when the umbrella is closed, remaining water droplets are expelled through the vents. Airflow created during the closure. However, the drying process is much faster compared to the traditional umbrellas. Self-drying umbrella provides convenient and mess-free experience for the user. These are the materials used for the preparation of self-drying umbrellas. Canopy, ribs, shaft, handle, lightweight frame, and durable frame. This is a model of the self-drying umbrella. Thank you.